Hello, everyone. My name is John Flaw, and I'm a founding member of Ag Solutions Group. I'm here today to introduce you to two wonderful gentlemen, two great companies, Richard Payne of Ag Solutions Group and Sean Skaggs of Livingston Machinery. In 2004, I was part of a ownership group that founded Ag Solutions based in Marshall, Missouri. And since that time, Ag Solutions has gone through many iterations of growth, adding locations, selling locations, adding products, and such and so forth. And then in 2018, Richard Payne and I partnered at Ag Solutions. And then in 2021, Ag Solutions partnered with Livingston Machinery and Sean Skaggs to form the business that we have today. The great thing about these companies is they're very complementary of one another, similar cultures, similar values.
Ag Solutions is a company founded on service and founded on application equipment. And our goal is to help the end user and help custom applicators apply fertilizer and chemical to the crops, to help the crop with nutrients and to help them grow.
For anyone who doesn't know, Ag Solutions Group, their stores are in Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and Minnesota. Whereas at Livingston Machinery Company, for anyone who's not familiar with us, we have stores in Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas. And we are basically a dealership that also was founded on service, very similar in that regard, in that we were both really founded on service. Service is what built the business. But we were focused more in commercial hay products for a long time. And then over time, that evolved into carrying a lot more products into the tractor business. Specifically, there's another really big business for us, as well as application products, tillage, seeding, and really kind of blossomed into a full line dealer over time. But everything was founded on that culture of service and really being there for the customer when the customer needs us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
With the acquisition of Livingston Machinery with Ag Solutions Group, we have found a real scale in our business, right? So we're a 13-store operation. As Sean said, we go from Minnesota all the way through the Midwest to Texas. And what we can do with that scale is provide our customers with a broader product offering, our employees with enhanced benefits and opportunities. And so together, these two businesses are much stronger than they were apart.
And that's what we're here to talk about today, is the fact that we are going to be further bringing the companies together. And our goal is by January 1 to have completely merged both companies into one. And so we believe that merging those two companies together will give us the scale we need to be able to provide even more and better services to our customers, our employees, to be able to provide even more employees to give our customers more support. We really feel like this is the way forward for our growth. So over the next 6 months, as we move towards this January 1 goal merger date, you're probably going to see a few changes around the stores. Most of those are just going to be physical changes in that we're going to be preparing to change some signage. We're going to be preparing to change things like our, the labeling on our service trucks, on our employees' uniforms, all those kind of things. You're going to see some slight changes there. What you won't see is changes in the people that are there, the kind of service that they're able to provide, the kind of parts inventory that we're going to keep. All those things are going to be the same. You won't see any changes there. We're still the same great people in the same great place, trying to provide you the services that you need. But you will see just a few physical changes as we work towards this goal.
You're going to see a few changes with added benefits, and the added benefits are going to be cross-training, where we'll be able to help each other learn more about specialty products, and so that we can bring it to you, the customer, and teach you possible better ways to spray, possible better ways to row hay, possible better ways to farm and to grow more crops.
We're really bringing the strengths of each company together and going to be able to share those across the entire network. Another one of the great benefits of this merger is going to be the kind of products that we carry and the availability of inventory. Some of you may be wondering, are we going to have all products at all stores now, all the different lines that we carry? We're not going to be able to do that. There's going to be some lines that we can't cross as far as those go. We're going to have some products in common, and some products are going to be slightly different at different stores. Our goal is always to try and bring the best products possible to our customers for that particular market to meet your needs in that area. There are some lines that we're able to have in common. Right now, we carry Manitou at all the different stores. We sell a lot of application parts at all the different stores. We sell H&S rakes available at all the different stores. And then another big advantage, I think, for you, the customer, is used equipment inventory. If we trade for a machine in Texas that someone in Iowa needs, we can make that transfer. We can make that happen. We can get you that piece of equipment. If we trade for something in Minnesota that a customer in Oklahoma needs, we can make that transfer and we can get that equipment to that customer. The same thing goes for parts availability. We're going to have much better parts availability because now we're combining the inventory of all 13 stores. And we're going to be able to have inventory that we can pull from each of those stores to make sure that we have the part you need within our network to get it to you and in your hands as quickly as possible.
You've all found over the last year that getting some parts and some whole goods is very hard to get. So with putting these companies together, we're going to be able to, in business systems, we're going to be able to see each other's real-time inventory and be able to share more. You know, X-Lucis and Livingston together has the 13 shipping points now for parts and availability of parts, and we can ship daily out of all locations. All locations will be able to see the parts availability. It's going to help us serve our customers a lot better by utilizing all of our parts inventories across our companies.
For anyone who's wondering if there's going to be any kind of change in the service that they receive, we want to make sure and reassure them that no, that's not going to change. It should only improve over time. That's our goal, is to always improve that level of service. And these are two companies that were both built on service, built on being there for our customers whenever they need us. That's not going to change. That's something that we're going to carry forward and that we're very adamant about, is we want to continue to provide a great customer experience and the highest level of service possible to every one of our customers. So we're all very excited to share with you that our new name come January 1st will be Parallel Ag.
Why Parallel Ag, Sean?
Because we're going to be working in parallel with you, our customers, with our vendors and manufacturers, and with our coworkers across the entire network. So we're very excited about the future and what this will bring as we work together to serve you.